Hello dear students, in this lecture we are going to discuss the parallel database system architecture. In last video we have seen what are different database system architectures and what is centralized database system architecture. In this video we will see an important database architecture, that is parallel database architecture. Now why it is called as parallel, that you will know in this video. In parallel database system architecture, we have different types of, or we have multiple processes, we have multiple memories, or we have multiple disks. So memory can be shared, it cannot be shared. There are different processes, and there are different disks, or there are different storage devices such as cylinders. So in parallel database architecture, let us say M denotes the memory, P denotes a processor, and disks are shown in the cylinders. So these are the diagrams, or these are the varieties of parallel database system architecture. First is shared memory architecture, then shared disk architecture, shared nothing architecture, and last is hierarchical architecture. So as name suggests, shared memory means the memory is shared. So you have only one memory, and that memory is shared among different processors as shown in the figure. Like in shared memory architecture, we can see here that we have M as memory, single memory is there, then different disks are there which are shown by cylinders, and these memory and cylinders are connected to multiple CPUs which are shown by P. So in diagram you can easily see that the memory is shared and multiple processors and multiple disks are there. So as the memory is shared, the name is shared memory. Another architecture is shared disk. So here the disks are shared among different processors, but here we can observe that each and every processor have its own memory as shown in figure, because at each M there is one processor, or at each processor there is separate memory. So here in shared disk architecture, each processor has its own memory, but the disks are shared here. In shared nothing architecture, nothing is shared, that means each and every component has its separate existence. Like if we can see in the diagram that we have processor, its own disk and its own memory. So this type of architecture is known as shared nothing, because memory is not shared here. Hierarchical memory. This hierarchical memory is the hybrid combination of shared memory, shared disk, and shared nothing architecture as shown in diagram. For example, in hierarchical architecture, in first section there is shared memory architecture, or we can connect multiple architectures at the same place. So that is the hierarchical architecture. So shared memory means all processors share a common memory. Shared disk, a set of nodes that share a common set of disk. Each node has its own processor and memory, that we have already discussed. Shared disk system are something called as clusters. Shared nothing means a set of nodes that share neither common memory nor common disk. Each and every component has its own existence. So that is shared nothing architecture. And last architecture we have seen is hierarchical architecture. This model is a hybrid of preceding three architectures, that is shared memory, shared disk, and shared nothing architecture that we have seen in the diagram. This model is widely used in the real-time scenario today, because as per the application there are varieties of requirement. So to fulfill those requirement, we can have different architectures, or we can use different architectures of parallel database system. So hierarchical is the system or architecture that we used in real-time scenario. Thanks for listening.